Hiya, this is Saoirse coming to you from a secret location that I'll tell you about later. But as a hint, I'm going to tell you where I'm at in Middle English. So anyone that knows what it is, pardon the pronunciations maybe, but otherwise then I'll tell you where we're at. So, Mandar aprela with a shower sit the drota mer char persa to the ruta, and bedat avivin and swishly cura, which virtue, and gender it as the fur van Zephyrus, Eka with a sweet breath, inspired hot in every halt and heat. The tender crops and the tender sun, half in the rams is half carjorn, and small and foul smoking melody that slept in all the night with open ye. So Percatham net and her carriages, the longing folk to go on pilgrimages, from every shire's enda of Canterbury, from England to Canterbury they wenda. The holy blissful martyr for to seek in strange thrones. That helping. Anyway, enough of that. Anyway, so that's where we are. We are in Canterbury. From every shire's end of England, we've come actually from Kent. So we're already in Kent, so we come up from Dover. So anyway, it's just one of our bucket list deals. And if you don't know the history of it, Thomas Becket was the holy blissful martyr, and he was killed by the king's men of Henry II. And Henry II said, "Oh, that someone would just free me from this man," and they took it to mean that he meant to kill him, which he didn't, or at least he said he didn't. So in penance, he came all the way down here and on his hands and knees in penance to come in and to pray at Canterbury Cathedral. So here we are in Canterbury at the cathedral. They're doing some renovation now, so it's really nice. You have to kind of like pass that, but it's still the cathedral. So we'll walk over here this way and maybe go inside a bit. So we'll see how it goes.